There's me, my reflection. Here's the bees. I thought it was going to be a really huge hive because of the number of bees. I don't think it's really huge. It was just really a huge swarm when it moved in. But we'll see. There's no telling how far back that goes. As I have my scope, I see one piece right there, but I'm sure it goes farther. Nice bees. I just pulled this off. I didn't even put smoke in the opening at all yet. They're not even coming out and bothering me. No problem for me to put my hand in there. And I have not put any smoke in except when I was first working. Not even since I've been cutting with the Sawzall, which usually gets them all riled up. There we are, removing bees, relocating them. They have a nice field right over there where they get plenty of nectar.